So tomorrow we have our very first assessment. It's just what we've been practicing in class, groups of things. Okay, so this review page is to help you practice and just make sure you're ready and know exactly what I expect on that assessment. So when you're finished, we're watching this video. So the question says there are blank equal groups of how many dots? There are blank dots total. This is just what we do when we're doing our supertizing videos. So how many equal groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've been practicing this. There are blank dots total. 6, 8, 10, 12. See, I started to skip counting by 2s. 14, 16, 18. 20, 22, 24. I'm writing them down as I'm skip counting so I don't make a mistake. We've been talking about skip counting. 26, 28, 30. 32, 34, 36. 38, 40, 42. So I skip counted by 6s. I skip counted by 6s and I have a total of 42. Right? So here's my word problem. Each guitar has 6 strings. Okay? So I have to have 6 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 7 guitars. Here's one guitar. I need, how many strings would there be if there was 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 guitars. So each guitar has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So I have to draw an array. An array means has 6. So I'm going to go across 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8. How many strings would there be if there's 7? So I do that 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, each one I fill it in so it looks like a rectangle. Right? Arrays are organized with rows and columns. Okay, so my multiplication sentence would be, I had 7 groups of 6. Repeated addition would be 6 plus 6 plus 6. I have to do that 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if you did this, this is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or I could do it this way. I already did 7 groups of 6 up here, and I know my answer is 42, so I know my answer is going to be 42. Because I already did 7 groups of 6. It's the same. So here's my array. This is how I figured it out with my model. Here's my multiplication. Here's my repeated addition. So a local elementary school has 3 water fountains side by side. 1, 2, 3 water fountains. After recess, 5 students were in line between each fountain. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to make that like an array. So 3 water fountains, and there was 5 in each. So I have 3 this way and 5 this way. 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 3 by 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 5. Multiplication. 3 groups of 5. Repeated addition. 3 groups of 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Right? Going to equal 15. Right? 5, 10, 15. If you did this, this is okay. Whoops. Except there really weren't 5 groups of 3. This is the best one that matches. Okay? So flip our paper over. So Lath was trying to make an array that matched the multiplication problem 3 times 4. So what he could have done to explain the strategy. Okay? And explain your strategy. So an array, I have 3, and I'm going to do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I do that, I have to make a first group of 3, a second group of 3, another group of 3, and the last group of 3. So what I'm going to write down is I made a group of 3 dots in a row. Then I made 4 rows of 3 dots. Okay, so here's my multiplication sentence. And I know that equals 3, 6, 9, 12. I skip counted by 3s. Okay, draw 2 different arrays that both have the total of 18. So how can I arrange 18? 1, 2. Oh, 18 is an even number, so I could skip count by 2s to get to 18. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. A different array would just be if I did them like this. That's okay. It's a different array. It's a different way of doing it, and it still gives me a total of 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, some of you might have done this. Maybe you skip counted by 3s. So you put 3 in a row, groups of 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay? So tomorrow when you take your assessment, you're going to have to do something like all these problems. Please ask for help in the morning if something's confusing to you, and I'll help you out.